Hey, hi, hello, what is up everyone? Today we're doing a sourdough video. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. This is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hope you have had a wonderful week. Today, like I said, we are doing a sourdough recipe. I have in my head that I really want some sourdough flatbreads, which I've never made before. I have never made sourdough flatbread before, so this is going to be an adventure for both of us. I'm gonna stop yapping. I've got some discard here, and we're gonna go make some flatbread. Apparently, according to the recipe, it is very easy. So I'll be the judge of that. Anyway, let's go make some flatbread. All right, I have 1 cup of warm water. I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then we're gonna do 3/4 cup of sourdough discard. I'm gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, I'm gonna cover this with a towel for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and knead it again. And then I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for 1 hour. And then we will be back to cook them. All right, it's been 15 minutes, so I'm going to knead this just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for an hour before we cook it. All right, it says this makes 10, so I did divide it into 10 balls, and it says roll it out thin, so that's what I did. I do have my cast iron over here heating up. Let's just give it a go. It also said do not cook these too slowly on too low of a heat, or they'll end up crunchy and not light and airy. So, you know, we're just giving it a whirl. Yeah, yesterday we shared one with hummus, and it was really good. And then for lunch today, I made pizzas with the flatbreads, and it's really good. I got uncured hard salami. That's the meat. Super good. Would you ask for it again?
Yeah, I couldn't tell like a difference between this and like store-bought.
That's good. That's good. And apparently they stay good in the fridge for 7 days. So we still have 7 flatbreads to get
I'd say this crust is probably better than...
You have stuff on here.
Oh, was this Chinese stuff?
Yeah.
This is definitely better than like any of the like the... I don't know. It's like the crust you get at the store. That's
Like the
already
pre-made ones or whatever, they're already
better than
pre-baked.
that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it is homemade. Does it taste like sourdough? Yeah.
Besides the uni, this is...
Oh, yeah. The uni is fantastic. But I just made them and I put them in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. And that's Jonathan's.
I'm saying this pizza is better than like the other crust we've done in like the regular oven.
Yeah. Like the homemade crust? Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, like I would prefer this because it's really thin.
So, you know, if you want homemade
it's
pizza.
It's not flowery,
this.
it's not... Yeah, it's really good. Like...
This one's mine. I just did Alfredo sauce, green onion, cheese, and salami. Did you just say
That's it.
Oh, I thought you said Yeah, that one's mine. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, that's that. The next video is probably going to be the lemon blueberry crumble. No, not crumble. Tart. Tart, I think. Oh, it's blurry. Whatever. Anyway, it will not focus. I don't know what's wrong. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!